What up, dog? Six-figure blueprint on how to start your Nemt business, better known as private transportation business. Look, I appreciate you tuning in. You know what I'm talking about? This is brought to you by your host, the homeschool dad. Without further ado, let me give you this intro. Just so you know, this is something similar to Uber, Lyft, you know what I'm talking about? Those type of companies. What you're gonna be doing is, I'll give you a backstory real quick. This particular industry was brought into fruition in 1965 by Medicare and Medicaid due to the fact that people that were disadvantaged and elderly people did not have transportation to their medical appointments. So Medicaid and Medicare decided to team up and provide funding for this transportation industry, right? And this is where you and me come into play. You might be asking, you might be wondering why you listen to this audio course, because you could do this with your own private, personal vehicle that you have right now. I don't care if you're driving a Chrysler, Town and Country, Dodge Caravan, Honda Accord, Ford Fusion, Toyota Corolla. As long as it's a four-door vehicle and it's a decent running vehicle, you can make some money with that, my baby. And without a doubt, I'm just gonna teach you how to do it. Reason why we're doing this course, you know what I'm talking about? I'm trying to share some information so you can get back to the community and be a positive impact. And at the same time, become a multi-millionaire. And that's the name of the game. We're trying to fire our 9 to 5 and produce for our own. You know what I'm talking about? So the first thing first, this is an introduction, but I want you to know that you gotta do your research, because each state is different. What all applies in Michigan, where I'm at, don't apply in Texas, or North Carolina, Virginia, California, Oklahoma, Texas, Alabama, you know what I'm talking about, Louisiana. Everywhere is different. So strap your boots up, you know what I'm talking about, and let's get to the books, do our research, and let's create our own transportation business. And we're gonna walk into that job that we got, you know what I'm talking about, and tell them, hey, look, I found a better way. This is my last day.